Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this video, I will present about our subject project, computer architecture and organization. So first, I will introduce you our group member. So first is Saiful Ihsan bin Muhammad Zulkarnain. Second is me, Muhammad Hakim Sazwan bin Muhammad Amin. And lastly, Muhammad Isaac Shamin bin Azman. For the first part is I will present you about the introduction. So our project is called Adding, Subtract, and Factorial Calculator. So this project cover of approach used in producing a simple calculator by using the Mary software. Due to the difficult to develop a scientific calculator that can calculate every calculation in field. This project is limited to only arithmetic operation calculation. Next, this project also involve the basic programming language of Mary software for the writing and running of the code of program. And the program can perform any simple mathematical operation after the user enter the selection input, such as A for adding process, S for subtraction process, F for factorial process, and lastly Q to quit the program. And the calculation can be performing on any two integer number of integer that the user choose after the selection of mathematical operation input. So for the next part is methodology. Our group for this project, our group is using machine architecture that is really intuitive and easy, or is called Mary simulator, which is a machine architecture and assembly language served only for the educational purpose. So as you can see at the left part is interface of Mary simulator. In this Mary's simulator, there are a collection of registers that can be used. If you see this, the collection of register. So first is AC, or called accumulator. Is intermediate data is stored with the AC. Next is APC, or called program counter, as it store the current position of the instruction with each instruction having on address. And next is MAR, or memory access register. It store or fetch the data at the given address. Next is MBR, or memory buffer register. It store the data when being transferred to or from memory. And lastly is IR, or instruction register, which hold the current instruction. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Saiful Ihsan bin Nur Muhammad Zulkarnain. My mantis number CE190065. I will present for simulation and flowchart for our project. So first of all, we look for simulation for our project. So first, I will explain for coding explanation. The user can enter the choice of the calculation need to be done, which is A is equal to addition, S for subtraction, F for factorial, and Q is to quit the program. Next, we also have used GNS, JNS, JNS are being used, which mean jump and store. That means stores value of PC at address X, then increment PC to X plus 1. It's load the user Unicode, whether A, S, F, or Q. Also, we have used skipcon. So instruction skip count, which indicate skip the next instruction based on C. So when C is 000, skip if AC is less than 0. For 400, skip if AC is equal to 0, and 800, skip if AC more than 0. And the last one, halt, is we use halt to stop the coding to show the output values from the calculation. Now let's see our program. So this is our program, our coding for this project. So I will show you how it's work. First of all, we click run, and first we need to choose our data, our operation, what operation we want, which is for addition, S is subtraction, factorial, and quit. So I will show you one by one. So first, I will show you about addition operation. So for addition, the variable is A. So we just put A on value, and the type is Unicode because this is variable. And next, then we need to put our value. For example, I choose for 3, and type we must to change to decimal because this is decimal. And next, we need to put input for Y. So for example, I will 5 in decimal, and the answer will be shown at output mode. The answer will be shown is 8. That's mean 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. Next, I will show you for subtraction operation. So for subtraction, the variable is S, and the type we must to change to Unicode because this is variable. And the value we need to enter the value of X. For example, I will choose the value of 6, and types we need to change to decimal. And next, we need to enter value of Y, which is 7, and the answer will be -1 on output mode. Next operation is factorial. So for factorial, the variable is F, and type also same as before, is Unicode. And for example, we put value for X is 4, and type must to change to decimal. And factorial is variable, so the type is Unicode, and the answer will be 24 showed in output mode. And the last operation is quit, which is the variable is Q, so we need to put Q and accept the type is Unicode, and just type quit or type Unicode and quit. And the program is successful to terminate. Next, I will present for flowchart. So this is our flowchart for this project. First of all, at first operation, the program will provide to us the select data operation. That means our program is already to do operation. So at this part, we need to enter our operation we want to do. Next, for second operation, when the operation are selected, choose from one of 3 operation, which is addition, subtraction, and factorial. the program will be continue to input to enter our input of X and Y, which is at 4 operation. While when we choose operation of quit, which is Q, the program will be go to end the program. Okay. Next, when we have done enter our input of X and Y, the program will be go to calculation process and will display our answer for the operation we choose. And the last one, the when answer has shows at display, the program will loop again or will loop back to select data operation. So at this we can choose another operation we want, or we want to choose same operation. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Muhammad Aizat Shahmin bin Azman. My metric number CE190035. For my part, I will be explain about the discussion. We have 4 points for discussion. For the first one is we develop a program in the Mary simulator that we call simulation addition, subtraction, and factor calculator as a discussion tool for this project assignment. For the second one is, as is well known, the Mary simulator is an extremely user-friendly and straightforward machine architecture. Machine architecture and installation language supply solely for instructional reason by the computer and architecture organization. For the third one is based on the program coding, we create 4 alternatives to carry out various operational procedure, namely A addition, S subtraction, F factorial, and Q for quit. After computation is complete for operation A, S, and F, the program will loop back to the operation selection until operation we choose is Q. It's mean Q for quit, at which point it will terminate the program as a whole. As a result, this effort helps us understand the idea of computer architecture. Okay, for the next one is for conclusion. Okay, for the conclusion, Mary software can be used to solve simple mathematical calculation based on our topic GPIO. The basic idea is that the Mary assembly language is a simple implementation of the von Neumann architecture. It uses binary code as an assembly language, as it is the lowest level of abstraction from the machine language. Each instruction corresponds to its binary representation. There are several assembly languages, one for each machine architecture. The benefit of it helps students to gain more understanding about Mary software through its program. Lastly, students can add new soft skill for their self by using Mary software, and it will be give advantage for the student for their future. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.